Myself Sangeeta Rodriguez. Hello kids, how are you? I hope you all are fine. I am your computer teacher for grade 3. In previous video we have learned about computer system, hardware, software and IPO cycle. Now we are going to revise the chapter computer system, hardware, software and IPO cycle. Now in your mind there is a one question that what is a computer system, how it is work and what is the use of the computer system. So computer system, you know about the keyboard, monitor, mouse, CPU, these all are the parts of a computer. Okay, it has many parts and all the parts of a computer together make the computer system. You know about keyboard, mouse, monitor, CPU. You cannot say only keyboard is a computer system, but all the parts of a computer, it is a computer system. Now you know about input process output cycle. Okay, that is the IPO cycle, how it is work. You are entering data into the computer. Okay, that is a input. It will be go in a CPU. It will be processed in CPU. That is a process. It will be after the processing, it will give the information on the monitor. That is the output. If you want to store your data, you can store in storage devices. Now what are the input devices? Okay, input devices are those devices that are used to enter data and instruction into the computer. Mouse, keyboard, joystick, microphone, smartphone, these are the input devices. Okay, you are using keyboard and mouse in the lab. Keyboard is used to type your words, data, your paragraph, your sentence. Mouse is used to draw pictures and click on anywhere on the monitor. Joystick is used to play games. Microphone is used to record your sound. These all are the input devices. Now processing devices. The central processing unit, CPU, process the data in given input given by the input devices. It actually execute the instructions. CPU stand for central processing unit, and whatever you are entering, it will go in the CPU. It will be process it inside the CPU. Okay, and it will be after the processing, it will give the execute the instructions. AMD and IBM are some well-known manufacturers of processors. Now what are output devices? The devices on which the output is produced after processing is called output devices. Okay, now for example, monitor, projector, speaker, printer are output devices. You know about monitor. Whatever you are typing through the keyboard or whatever you are doing on with the use of mouse, you can see on the monitor. Okay, in our school there is a projector. You know about the projector. That is the output devices. Speakers are used to listen to music. That is the output devices. Printer means if you want to print anything, you can use printer. So printer is the output devices. Now what are the storage devices? The computer uses data and software. So the computer needs devices to store data and software. For this, the computer uses storage devices or memory devices. If you want to store your data, you can use storage devices. Hard disk, CD, DVD, pen drive are storage devices. Hard disk is fixed inside the CPU box. It is used to store your data. Whatever you are doing on the computer, it will be stored on the hard disk. You can carry the hard disk. You can carry the hard disk to anywhere also. CD and DVD is a storage devices. It is used to store your data. Pen drive is also used to store your data. Pen drive is very easy to use and you can carry pen drive to anywhere. Now here one example. A child came from clay. So clay is the input. Child playing with clay. That is the process. After playing with clay, it has make some toys. So toys is the output. Computer has two components, that is the hardware and software. Now what is the hardware and what is the software? Hardware is that part of a computer which you can see and touch. For example, monitor, keyboard, mouse and the part inside the CPU box, that are the hardware which you can see and touch. Software is that part of the computer which make the hardware work. Software cannot be touched. For example, Windows, Paint, Microsoft Word, logo, etc. are software. It means software you cannot touch and see. You can see but you cannot touch the software. Software is a program that you cannot touch. You can feel the software, you can see the software, but you cannot touch the software. Windows, Paint, Microsoft Word, logo, you are playing playing the game on the computer, that is a software. Now hardware, what is the hardware? Hardware is the part of a computer that you will see in the picture, and software is the applications of the computer, that is the pictures is given here. Okay, that is a Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Windows, PowerPoint, Excel, Adobe Reader. These are the applications of the computer, and it is called software. Now software has two parts, system software and application software. Now what is the system software? To start the computer you need operating system. So this is that is a system software. And application, you start after the starting the computer you need applications to do your work, and that is a application software. Now your home assignment is, what is hardware? And second one is, write any two hardware devices name. You have to write any two hardware devices name. Okay, we have learned about hardware devices, and we have learned about what is hardware. Okay, hardware means you can touch and see, and hardware devices you have to write the hardware devices name. So everyone, the children, now you know about the computer system, hardware and software. You know about the IPO cycle. So thank you very much, and bye bye, take care, and have a nice day, good day.